Recording in progress.
So the first problem about monopoly is that they charge higher prices. It's a monopoly, like we said. So because they are monopoly, they are the one that decide what happens to the market, right? So how will a monopoly be able to charge higher prices? It's not just like you're just going to charge a high price. There would have been a situation that would warrant you to charge a higher price, yes or no? For the fact that you decide what quantity is being brought to the market, because you are the only one supplying the market. So you decide the quantities that has to be brought to the market, yes or no? Yeah. So monopoly, what do? They try to they reduce the quantity sold to the market. They reduce supplies in the market. So when they reduce supply in the market, there comes shortage, yes or no? Yeah. And when there is shortage, consumers will be willing to pay any price to get hold of the product, yes or no? Yeah. As a result, monopoly will increase the price. Yeah. That is how they set higher prices. Is it clear? Yeah. They are the price maker. Mm-hmm. They are the price maker, so it means they decide on what to be supplied to the market. Yeah. So when they want to increase the price, they reduce supply to the market, the price increases because there's shortage. And whenever there's shortage, it comes with a higher price. That is what they do. Is it clear? Yes. The second one. Restricted choice. It's a monopoly. The only supplier in the market. So that means consumers don't have any other choice to make. So that's another problem for suppliers. We cannot choose. The only one we have is product A, and there's no other product available. There's no identical product. There's no substitute. Clear? The third one. Lack of innovation. Why is it? We said one of the advantages is innovation, right? When we feel like monopoly, they have the financial capability to do research and development. But the problem here is that, do they even have the motive to do that? When you are in a competitive market, that is when you feel like you want to differentiate your product from those of your competitors. You want to be ahead of your competitors. Yeah. And one way to be ahead of your competitors is to come up with new ideas, new way of doing things, right? Yeah. That makes you to stand out. But monopoly is the only one. It's a monopolist, the only one supplying in the market. Yeah. So it doesn't have any reason to be innovative. Yeah. There's no reason, there's no motive to be innovative. Yeah. Do you get the point? Yes. So if it has competitors, that is when it wants to, to be ahead of its competitors. That is when it wants to have a competitive edge or competitive advantage. Mm-hmm. But here, it doesn't have any reasons to have. Do you get it? Yes. So that's the third one. Inefficiency. Monopolists, they know that whatever cost they incur, it is passed on to customers. Yes or no? Mm-hmm. So they become careless. They don't care about efficiency. They don't care about reducing cost. They know whatever costs they incur, the customers will pay. Do you get the point? Yeah. So this is why they don't care. They become careful. They don't care about whether they have to reduce cost or not. Do you get the point? Yeah. And there's one thing we didn't mention here, which is one of the features of monopoly, is lack of knowledge.